Hi everyone! Today I'll be sharing with you a little bit more about Little Frog's latest ergonomic carrier release, the Little Frog Prime. So this carrier fits from birth all the way until toddlerhood, from about 4 kilos to 20 kilos. I'm going to do a quick demo of how to put a younger infant in. So first up, we're going to create the seat for the baby. You want to create a smaller seat. So I'm going to adjust the width of the panel. How I do that is by flipping the carrier around and looking for the Velcro that's located on the waist straps. I'm going to push it all the way in for newborns. And you can adjust accordingly depending on how tall your baby is. So if your baby is 2-3 months, then just widen accordingly. Following that, I'm going to adjust the buckle that's located on the waist straps inwards. Now what this does is to enable you to connect the shoulder straps to the waist belt. And this will give a smaller, more snug fit that's great for younger, smaller infants. Okay. After that, I'm going to turn the carrier around and I'm going to adjust the panel height for a smaller infant. I'm just going to pull down to cinch the panel height this way and do the same on the other side. As you can see, the panel is now smaller in terms of width and height, and we're ready to put a smaller infant in. But before that, we need to adjust the buckles from the shoulder straps to the waist belt. I'm now going to show you how to put a younger infant in the carrier. Today, we have baby Scarlett, who is 3 months old. But before we do that, let's put the waist belt on. I want the waist belt at our natural waist for ladies around our belly button area, or for men slightly above the belly button. Now remember to slot your buckle through the safety elastics. Clip and tighten. We're ready to get baby. Say hi! Place baby on your chest and shimmy baby down to the middle, guiding their legs at the same time. Pull the panel over baby and support baby with one hand while putting the strap on the other hand. Change hands, put the other strap on. Reach 2 hands over your head. Look for the buckle and flip. And tighten. Make sure the shoulder straps are sitting nicely on your shoulders. Lastly, pull to tighten. Check baby's positioning in the carrier. Ensure that they have a well-supported back with their legs in the ergonomic M-shaped position and that they're close enough to kiss. You can also choose to detach the hood if you want baby to have a clearer view.